All this information comes from their website. You can go check it yourself and make your own decision. Whatever fits your personal goals, go for it. I'm just trying to give you different options, all right? It's the first decision you're making every single day, throwing off your entire diet. And I've been there and done that. Look, I got you covered in this video. If you're a coffee drinker, I have found something for you that'll help you stay on track. It's low calorie. You'll still get your protein. It'll keep you from grabbing something you shouldn't be grabbing, all right? Because we know that's the problem. We end up grabbing something we shouldn't be grabbing. And the problem is when we do it day after day after day, all that adds up, it becomes a habit. So what we want to do is replace that bad habit with a new habit. Instead of just going cold turkey, let's just replace the old habit, all right? So let's start there. But I'm gonna compare this to, because I got a message that somebody says their problem is they go to Starbucks all the time. Starbucks is fine, nothing wrong with Starbucks, it's great. It's just the decisions that you make when you go there could be affecting your diet, could be affecting you getting to your goals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you something that I have found that you can get at Walmart that you can easily replace that habit. If this is your habit, every morning you gotta go to Starbucks, you gotta get your drink and something to eat, I'm gonna show you what you can replace it with to get more protein, less calories, and it'll help you reach your goals, all right? So check this out. Nothing against Starbucks. I've had Starbucks before, nothing wrong with it at all. The thing is, it's the options that you get there. So what I did is I went to the website and I looked and I said, okay, well, let me see if I was to go there and get me, let's say a 12-ounce latte. What am I looking at there, okay? So what you're looking at is 210 calories, 3.5 grams of fat. It's not too bad. 23 grams of carbs. If you're low carb, that might be pushing it a little bit. 22 grams of protein. Now this is their protein latte that they have on their website, okay? 22 grams of protein, come on now, let's go. But the problem is 22 grams of sugar up in that joker. So okay, let's just say you get that and then you're gonna get a bagel, all right? Plain bagel, nothing on it, no goodness on it, just a plain old bagel. So I said, all right, let's go look at that. So a bagel is going to run you about 250 calories. This is according to their website, 250 calories for a plain bagel. 1 gram of fat, it's not bad. 51 grams of carbs. All right, if you're low carb, that's probably not going to cut it right there, all right? 9 grams of protein, okay, not bad. And 5 sugars, all right. So total, you're looking, if you go get you a high protein latte with a bagel, every morning from Starbucks, you're starting your morning with 460 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 74 grams of carbs, okay? This is a drink in a bagel. You're getting 74 grams of carbs, all right? 31 grams of protein, all right? 31 grams of protein. I'm all about getting that protein now, come on. And 27 grams of sugar, all right? So let me show you what I have found that you can replace that with. If that's something that you're always getting, let me show you what I found at Walmart that you can get to replace that, all right? Check these out. I've talked about Slate before, okay? Soda drinks that they have. Slate has great options, all right? But check out what I found right here. 20 grams of protein up in this joker. Come on now. Had a caramel latte. Man, that just sounds great. All you got to do is get you a can and put it over your own ice. Let's look at the calories on this one, okay? What we're looking at here is 100 calories, 2 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, all right? Come on now. Compared to the high protein latte from Starbucks, I think this is a better option if you're trying to hit some goals, okay? Whatever those goals are. But check this out, and if you don't like the caramel, they got a sweet cream latte. Come on now, that just sounds good, right? That just sounds good. Sweet cream, come on now, you can't beat that, right? They even got this, the mocha latte. Come on, whichever flavor you want, you can find it. Get you some ice, put it over some ice. Come on now, 20 grams of protein, man, you cannot beat that, all right? Okay, that's the high protein latte that you can get with Slate. Now, if you're looking for a bagel, I also find these at Walmart, okay? I've talked about these bagels plenty in my videos. If you find them, try them out, check them out, okay? Don't get the bagel from Starbucks, get this bagel instead. Okay? Sola bagel, come on now. If you've tried Sola, you let me know, okay? Because I'm pretty sure if you try Sola, you like Sola. It is so good, okay? Now this is the cinnamon raisin. They also have a blueberry. They also have a plain one. If you want to put your own cream cheese on there, that's fine. I'll just carry these around with me and I'll just eat them like this because you don't even need to heat them up. They're so soft. I'm trying to tell you, these things are great. Next time you're at Walmart, check these out, okay? Sola bagels are amazing. Or check your store and see if they sell Sola bagels, okay? These things are great. I like to just sometimes, even this morning, I put some honey on one and that was it, right? I have them before the gym, after the gym as an afternoon snack. They are just great, all right? So Sola bagels, let's look at the nutrition on these, okay? One bagel is 110 calories, all right, compared to that 250, okay? We're looking at 6 grams of net carbs, 14 grams of protein, all right? 14 grams of protein compared to that 9 in that other bagel, and 6 grams of carbs compared to that 51. Come on now, you can't beat that, all right? Another good thing about Sola bagels, 29 grams of fiber right here, all right? Okay, so man, you cannot beat that. If you're really trying to hit your fiber goals, have you one of these, you're almost there, okay? It is so simple. These things are amazing. I'm trying to tell you, if you know about Sola bagels, you have to let me know. Let me know in the comments because Sola bagels are great, all right? So now let's put these two together, all right? Let's compare it. So when you put these two together, you're gonna get you 210 calories, 8 grams of carbs in both of these, all right? 34 grams of protein. Come on now. We're all about that protein, right? Compared to the 31 grams of protein at Starbucks. Man, come on, you can't beat it. 30 grams of fiber, because this also has 1 gram of fiber. Even more fiber, right? Only 3 grams of sugar compared to the 27 from Starbucks. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer. You're getting your protein, you're getting your fiber. It's less calories, it's less carbs. You don't have to go to Starbucks every single morning. You can just grab these, keep them at the house, take them with you. I mean, you can take this can with you, put it in the fridge and just drink it. Put it in the fridge and just drink it on the way to work like this and have you a bagel, all right? Get to work, have you one of these, have you a bagel, all right? It's so simple. Grab you a cup of ice, have you one of these, have you a bagel. Breakfast is done, all right? You got 34 grams of protein already. And that's for breakfast. That's on the way to work, or that's at the house, or that's because you just, you're taking your kids somewhere, you're dropping your kids off at school. You need to get your coffee fixed, but you want to get some protein. It can't be any easier than this, all right? I'm just trying to tell you, I'm trying to show you easier, healthier, higher protein ways to help you hit your goals, all right? Because that's what my channel is all about, trying to help you hit your goals now, all right? And once again, I found these at Walmart. Definitely check your stores to see if they carry them. Slate is great. I mean, it's a great way to get your protein in. You're gonna get your coffee, you're gonna get your protein. It's gonna be lower calorie. It's just a win-win all the way around. Definitely check out those Sola bagels if you can find them. Let me know what your favorite flavor is, or let me know if you have them and what your favorite flavor is, okay? How do you like to have your Sola bagel? Do you toast them? I like to put honey on mine and just keep it straight like that. But I'm sure some cream cheese will taste great. Even some hot honey now, come on now. Hot honey probably tastes great on there. But let me know how you like to have your bagels. These are just options that will that will hopefully help you hit your goals, whatever those goals are, okay? But I'm just showing you an alternative to Starbucks, all right? All this information comes from their website. You can go check it yourself and make your own decision. Whatever fits your personal goals, go for it. I'm just trying to give you different options, all right? So let me know what you think on this video, and I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.